If a person dies without a will, the state of New York has to determine who's going to take care of your estate. That means they're going to appoint an administrator, and if you haven't designated someone, the court has to decide who that administrator is going to be. If you have family members who want to act on your behalf, and there's a conflict within the family, the court then has to run a hearing to determine which party is going to be most suitable. And if the court decides that there's such a conflict within the family, the court could even appoint a public administrator to act on your behalf or on behalf of your estate. So for no other reason, you want to make certain that you have a will in place to make certain that you're appointing your executor and that the surrogate court knows who you trusted in deciding to handle your estate. Besides that, you want to have a will in place in order to make certain that the court appoints those who are going to take care of your children. They're called the guardians. The guardians are the individuals with whom the children are going to live with on a daily basis. The trustees, who take care of the assets on behalf of the estate to make certain that the assets are going to be turned over to the children at an appropriate age that you designate, rather than what the surrogate court decides would be the legal age, which is 18 years in New York State. Many instances, you don't want your children getting their assets or their estate benefits at the age of 18. I generally recommend an age of 22 because I like to get the kids through a program, a 4-year program of college. I've had people extend it to 25 and 31 and even older in age, depending upon the circumstances. There are also situations where you have children who might be disabled, and you want to make sure that they're provided for and taken care of for their lifetime, for that matter. And you don't want the surrogate's court deciding who's going to take care of your children. You don't want the surrogate's court deciding who's going to take care of your assets.